Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to log in AOL mail account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded AOL app. Once you download it, open up it. Now go to profile icon as shown on top left corner. Now here tap on sign in. Next, if you have already signed in before, then you can see this kind of username. But if you haven't signed in before, then tap on add account. Simply tap on it and tap on continue. It will navigate you to this interface. Here, type in your username, email or mobile. Once you are done, tap in done or next button as shown here. Next, here type in your password. Once you are done typing your password, tap on next button. Now you can see that you have successfully logged in. Now tap on profile and here you can see that your AOL mail account has been successfully signed in. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.